Let's talk about NFTs and the IGO, which is initial game offering. And this time I'm coming to you with new IGO, which actually you can find on the Binance NFTs. So if you go to Binance and then to NFT new, after you choose the section for the gaming IGO, you will see that there is a new one upcoming IGO, which is, as I mentioned, initial game offering, called Summoners Arena. And Summoners Arena, it's kind of like an RPG game. To be honest, for me, it really reminds me of World of Warcraft, but well, I think everyone has their own preferences. When you look at the Summoners Arena, it's the game which you get to explore the Summonia metaverse as summoners, and players need to summon heroes to engage in glorious 5-5 battles with their fellow summoners in various game modes. So we see that Binance is working with that Summoners Arena. With this game, you actually have a few options. So obviously when you look at those summoners, so the actual chest will cost around 0.1 BNB. And as you can see, the sale will start at the 10th of January and it will work through the subscription. So how does it exactly work? So subscription mechanism will be the process to where everyone will be able to buy it. So thanks to it, it's more fair for everyone to buy that. And this is not the only thing, because obviously that's the chest. You also have an option in the future to buy scrolls and like 3, 4, 5-star and Crimson 5-star Genesis scroll. But at this moment, when you buy that chest, inside the chest you'll be able to find these scrolls, and you also see that what are the items which are inside and the probability of it. So you see that there's a normal, rare, super rare and a super rare item, which all of those are actual NFTs. I came back to the main side of the IGOs to see at the gameplay. So that's what we'll do, and I'll put it on full screen. So as we can see, the beta has already finished, and right now they're looking for the Q1 for the release of the game on mobile and PC platform. So as you can see, it has a pretty decent graphic for, the game which is actually launching. I prefer those graphics, actually something which I prefer than, kind of a silly, maybe animal-y one, but it depends on the person. For me, it kind of reminds me of, maybe Clash of Heroes or maybe World of Warcraft. When you actually see their timeline, when you actually go to the Summoners Arena, you'll see that at December they closed their beta. So that means beta and testing, it's all done. At Q1, they're looking for hero NFT sale, token sale, official launch on mobile and PC emulator, as I mentioned to you, PBE free-to-play, and item NFT sale. Then they're looking into item system, renting system, and quests. And with Q3 native PC version, guild NFT sales, guild system, and Q4 land NFT sales and land gameplay. So there will be almost a year for the land to come, but right now people have the option to see the actual option to join. I would say join the ride and see how it works, because obviously with the cool thing about that is that it's in early stage, right? So because of it, you can participate through the subscription. So how does the subscription exactly work? So the whole kind of process has been done before, that it was actually holded on the amount of the BNB you actually hold. So there will be 14,950 those NFTs. 0.1, it's a unit sale price. So the preparation will start at the 10th, as I mentioned. Then the subscription will go until 12th, and then calculation at 13th. And then 13th, at the same day, which is around 3 hours later, will be the distribution of all of those. So how does it exactly work? Participation tickets is the hard cap users per once qualified to move to the subscription phase. Users can choose to commit all tickets or some of them, and the more you commit, the higher probability to get NFT. However, participation tickets are non-assets and will not be reflected anywhere in the platform or the user's account and the spot wallet. So it's literally more BNB you will commit, then and the average, the more tickets you will get, so you get more chances to buy and those NFTs. Minimum BNB average holding requirements is entry requirement to the events. When you meet the requirements, you're eligible to move forward to the next stage, and the holding amount is calculated based on the average of your BNB amounts among all your margin, Binance crypto loans, sub-accounts, Binance savings, vaults, fiat accounts, futures wallets, Binance funding wallets, and launchable accounts since start of the day preparation. So as you can see, it's pretty nice that, you know, you can actually keep it in some of the other things. As long as you keep it in BNB, you still get that perks. So when we look at their website, we can actually see their also video, like the official trailer of the game. It's pretty cool. Like, I think they did it in a nice way. We also see that, you know, there will be a lot of different elements and different avatars. So the epic elements are Malefica, Halo Kingdom, Kingdom of Darkness, Land of Nature, Marine Union, and Burning Continent. So, you know, there's pretty different options, and each of those has kind of like a 4 different features, so it depends on what kind of avatar you will have, an NFT. Within the game features, you have the summon. After the first batch, they were actually looking for into circulation via the summon, and it will cost you the SAG, which is the token which is work with the game and gives it back hero NFT. So there are a lot of kind of pretty cool options they're looking for, as I told you, with the remote map, the guilds, the land. So there's something which I think it will be pretty nice. And when you redefine play to earn, this is all because obviously when you look at, for example, at Axie Infinity, you have the tokens called AXS and the SLP, which is small love potions. Within the summoners, you have the SAE, which is earn government's rights that can also be converted to financial gains, and SAG, which is earn incentives for participating in game activities. There will be also a marketplace which will be able to buy and sell NFTs and items. So this is, to be honest, pretty cool, as when you look at, you know, their partners, they have like OneChain, Zitska, OneSoft. So they have the companies which, you know, worked behind it, and I see that the team there is growing. To be honest, such a game has big potentials, as obviously when we look at them, it's something which is pretty cool, as you know, lots of games are appearing on mobile, but the games which are based on blockchain allow people to actually earn money or tokens within the game and then use it in their real life. That's the biggest, I can think, difference from all the other options than what we currently see. And this is kind of it. I wanted to show you this IGO so you have the option to actually participate. If you do, just, you know, if you like this video, just remember to like it and subscribe to the channel, so thanks to you up to date with everything that's going on. And well, that's it from me. I hope that you enjoyed that. Take care.